Looking for the Power BI version of COUNTX? It's there, just hidden under a different name. When you want to calculate values based on a condition, the go-to functions in Power BI are COUNTX and calculate. In this video, I'll focus on COUNTX and show you how to replicate Excel-style conditional counting. Let's begin. This is a database of movies. One of the columns is original language. In case the movie is in English, it contains the code EN, and then you have all the other codes for all the other languages. We need to count how many movies are in the English language. If I apply a simple filter, Power BI tells me that 6,725 movies are in English. Now let's create a measure to calculate this. New measure. Total English movies equal to COUNTX. It expects two parameters, table and expression. For the table, we will filter the original table so that it contains only those rows where the language is English. So we will use the filter function, which also returns a table. Table name for the filter function is movies. The filter expression is column original language is equal to EN. Let's close the filter function. We come back to COUNTX, which is expecting an expression. We will provide the column ID, as we can be sure that it will always have a value. Close the bracket and our measure is ready. As we bring the measure to the canvas, we see the count of English movies is 6,725. It's the same as what we had seen when we had applied a simple filter. So that's how you can use the COUNTX function. As mentioned earlier, you can also solve this using the calculate function. I'll include the link for that video in the description. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with questions or topic you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success. Here you'll find videos and what's latest in Excel, Power BI and data analytics. Thanks for watching.